long spring times since she was a bride, and still you may see her at each Whitsuntide in a dress of white linen and ribbons of green as her memories of loving. The feet that were nimble tread carefully now, as gentle a measure as age will allow, through groves of white blossoms and fields of young corn, where once she was pledged to her true love. The fields they stand empty, the hedges grow free, no young men to tend them, nor pastures to see. They're gone where the forests of oak trees before, they're gone to be wasted in battle. From the green farmlands and from their loved ones marched husbands and brothers, fathers and sons. There's a fine roll of honor where the maypole once stood, and the ladies go dancing at Whitsun. There's a straight row of houses in these latter days, all covering the downs where the sheep used to graze. There's a field of red poppies, a gift to be seen, and the ladies remember at Whitsun, and the ladies go dancing at Whitsun.